We are at the 2023 Tampa RV Super Show, and we're at Airstream, as you can see here. We're going to look at the Pottery Barn edition. So I believe this is 27 feet, obviously dual axle. This has all these special Pottery Barn accoutrements. If you're an Airstream person, so you understand most of this stuff on the outside, I don't really have to go in there, but let's look at the appointments for the Pottery Barn edition. Before I even step in, this is your little seating area, and you can see it already feels like you're in a Pottery Barn, doesn't it? And if I walk in, I walk straight, and I'm looking straight at the kitchen. So you have a nice farm style kitchen, 3-burner stove, and an oven. Look at that. Under the stove is an actual oven. You have storage space here. That's where your garbage is. There'll be storage space under here, of course. If I turn, you have the dinette here. So again, when you walk in, to the left is what you're looking at here, the dinette. To the right is the seating area, which I'm sure pulls out to a bed. Let me go. So over the seating area, you have storage, and you can see the shaker style. So again, that's for the Pottery Barn styles. Make this look like shakers and whatnot. So this is the dining room area. I don't know if there's storage under here or not, but it looks like you can take that table, and they have these little lips here, that you can make this into a bed. Storage over the kitchen. Again, very Pottery Barn style. The AC units, everything in AC is ducted, as I understand it. Composite flooring is now in all Airstreams. Has a little TV. Your standard Airstream refrigerator. Oh, look at that, a nice little nook next to the oven. And again, this finish here would be unique to the Pottery Barn feel, as well as the curtains are all Pottery Barn vibe, for lack of a better term. All right, so is this a pantry? That's a closet. So I don't really see a pantry, is what I don't see. Do you see a pantry, Edie? I'll keep moving. So I'm going to turn around real quick here. And so the pantry or closet, whatever you want it to be, is right here. To my right, you know how Airstreams work. The bathrooms are separated. Did you look in the bathroom, Edie?
Not yet.
It's nice. Very Pottery Barn style. That is nice. Those are nice appointments. Let me quickly look in the shower. I have to turn around for that. Regular shower, but plenty of room in that shower. And then, and this is my favorite part about the 27-foot and up series, a true walk-around queen bed. So if you're watching this and you've been shopping around, you know, if you look at RVs, they always have cabinets on the right, on either side of the bed, and that kind of boxes you in. Or when you get out of bed, you bash your head on the corner. This, you're not bashing your head on anything, and you have plenty of room to have your arms flailing around. And by that I mean flailing around in joy, because you're in a real, true walk around. You have storage space there by the night table. You got the pop-up doodads for your electricity and USB. The famous windows, of course. You have beautiful light appointments. So those things, if you look at those lights, that's a Pottery Barn thing, as well as these little hooks here. Control panel. And again, storage up top. And if I quickly turn this around, you have a little TV right here. And so this is the view from the bedroom. And that is the 27-foot Pottery Barn edition. Thanks for watching, folks.